All right, everybody, Ty Wilson here, Georgia Personal Injury, Workers' Compensation, car wreck attorney, and wanted to just give you guys a warning. This is more of a warning video than anything else. What we're seeing a lot with some insurance companies, and I'm gonna name you Geico, shame on you Geico. What they're doing is they're proactively reaching out to people who have been injured in a car wreck, and they're saying, hey, I'm really sorry. It looks like, we understand that you're probably gonna have some medical care and you're probably gonna miss some time from work. So I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you a check for the time we expect you'll go to, 5 or 6 appointments. That's probably gonna be about $400. I'll do that, and I'll give you some additional money just for the aggravation and hassle. And then certainly we'll pay and cover all of your medicals up to $15,000 as long as it's reasonable and necessary, which it should be. That's how they say it. I'm gonna send you this document. If you'll just sign it online, get it back to me, I'll get you a check out. Okay, that sounds interesting. Here's what you need to be worried about or concerned about. They send it to you to DocuSign, and it's just a push the button, and you sign it, you send it. 2 clicks and you're done. And then you'll get a check in the mail. You'll get a check in the mail for, I think this was approximately $2,000, and you've settled your case, no matter what happens. And you might be going to a chiropractor. And if you're going to a chiropractor, well, all of a sudden they may say, that's not reasonable and necessary, according to what we think is reasonable and necessary. And you'll have to get an attorney to prove us wrong, and you'll have to take us to court, which is a major pain, and they know it. We don't think that $15,000 needs to be paid. We think we'll just cut it off at about 10. But we're not gonna tell you, or really more like 2,500. And everything after that, no, not reasonable and necessary.